So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel GK Update with Unnati. So in today's video, we will go through top 30 current affairs from 27th April to 3rd of May. And here goes the first question. Which country hosts the 10th edition of FIFA Women's World Cup 2027? And the answer is Brazil. On which date World Day for Safety and Health at Work 2025 is celebrated? And the answer is 28th of April. How many districts in Arunachal Pradesh have been officially declared malaria-free, which was announced on World Malaria Day 2025? And the answer is 16. Recently, India Audio Summit and Awards 2025 is held in which city? And the answer is Mumbai. Raja Iqbal Singh from which party who has been elected as the new mayor of Delhi? And the answer is BJP. Recently, who has been appointed as the Executive Director of Reliance Industries Limited? And the answer is Anant Ambani. Who became the second Indian to reach 12,000 runs in T20? And the answer is Rohit Sharma. Which country has achieved a significant milestone in medical science through its first in-human gene therapy trial for hemophilia? And the answer is India. How many Rafale M fighter jets are parts of the Rs 63 crore deal between India and France? And the answer is 26. Who recently released the World Social Report 2025? And the answer is United Nations. According to the World Bank, how many crore people in India were lifted out of the extreme poverty level in the last 10 years? And the answer is 17.1 crore. On which date World Veterinary Day 2025 is celebrated? And the answer is 26th of April. The recently released novel The Kashmir Shawl is written by whom? And the answer is Rosie Thomas. Recently, which Indian cricketer has been honored with Padma Shri honor from the Honorable President of India? And the answer is Ravi Chandra Ashwin. Dr. M.G.S. Narayana was associated with which field? And the answer is History and Academy. Which Indian batsman to smash a fastest century in IPL history? And the answer is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center is established under which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. Which day is celebrated as International Hyena Day? And the answer is April 27. Who has been elected as the new Prime Minister of Canada recently? And the answer is Mark Carney. Who built India's first foundational large language model LLM under the India AI mission? And the answer is Sarvam AI. Recently, India and which country signed an MOU on cross-border transmission infrastructure? And the answer is Nepal. Which state or UT launches Ayushman Wave Vandana scheme offering free rupees 10 lakh health cover to seniors 70 plus? And the answer is Delhi. Srijesh PR was conferred Padma Bhushan in April 2025 for his achievements in. And the answer is sports. Recently, who have participated in YUGM Innovation Conclave in New Delhi? And the answer is Narendra Modi. Which state has set the Guinness record for the world's largest Madhubani painting? And the answer is Bihar. On which date International Dance Day 2025 celebrated? And the answer is 29th April. Ayushman Bharat Divas 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 30 April. Which Indian state has become the first to implement an AI-based real-time alert system for forest management? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Recently, who has been appointed as the head of National Security Advisory Board? And the answer is Alok Joshi. And the last 30th question. Recently, who was appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India? And the answer is B.R. Gawai.